Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here with a really interesting product to demonstrate for you and then give you a review, a Doug score from 1 to 5 on how much I like or dislike it. And I have a new use for this, which you might not have thought of. This is an earbud cleaning kit, which is really an important thing, and that's very conventional use of it. Obviously, we all now use the earbuds and stuff in our ears with the wax and all that kind of gross stuff going on all the time. So you got to keep them clean if you're going to be hygienic and that kind of stuff. So within this kit comes a whole bunch of different tools and items to use for doing that. It has 2 different chamois, 4 sets of wipes, which have both the wet wipe and the dry wipe for you to use it. These clay tabs are great for removing like fingerprints and that kind of stuff, as well as other dirt and debris. It also comes with these ultra fine, they don't have cotton tips, they have like a foam tip on it, but it's like a toothpick with a foam tip on it, so you can get in really small areas. And then in this bag here, dun, 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 we have a variety of tools. So I'm not gonna pour them all up, but I'm gonna take a sample out to show you. We'll get like a little bit of one of each so I can show you all the different tools. It is amazing, the variety of cleaning tools this comes with. Okay, so let's talk about these that I just pulled out. So obviously you have a really fine, good quality set of tweezers, which is essential, that's great. Again, this is like a much bigger kind of Q-tip with the foam swab on the end. This is for doing your eyelashes. No, actually, this is like a cool little brush for cleaning areas. And again, another really cool micro-sized foam tip kind of thing for getting in small areas, which obviously we're talking about. So conventionally, I will show you, we're talking about cleaning up your earbud case and your earbuds. So for sure, right? You wanna, now sometimes you could just replace the rubber pieces, but other times you don't wanna do that. So you wanna clean this up good, right? So you're gonna take the little foam and you're gonna go in here and do a little twist and clean out any debris, dirt, that kind of stuff that you might find in there. Obviously, you're able to go in with your tweezers if you need to, pull something out. Then this, I love this, what I call the eyelash brush. But look, this is great for scrubbing the case out, you know, because if you do this enough times, you put the gross stuff, the ear thing in there, in and out, you get it in here. So you want this good, you use this, you get a good little scrub here, you get your electrical connections clean, then you come back in with the big one, the big foam tip one, and you like kind of clean up all the debris that you loosened up, and that is all clean that way. Obviously, it has the wet and the dry wipes, as well as the chamois. This would be particularly great if you're cleaning your screen of your phone. I thought that was good. So, okay, so you ready for the Doug and Nikki custom use of this kit, which is amazing. I bet you never thought of it. How about this one? How many of you guys have drones or cameras, that kind of stuff around here? So look, there are so many nooks and crannies that really could use this stuff. And it's a drone, it flies around, it crashes into trees and bugs and gets dirty. All these optical sensors, look how great that is. I could get in there very comfortably, very safely, clean all these optical sensors. Look at that. That is awesome. I can use the wet and the dry to clean the lens to make sure that stays clean. Look at it on the bottom. There are like 6 of them right there already on the bottom of the drone, which you would want to clean out. Again, if there's like debris like bug and guts, you could just like kind of loosen it up with this, and then do the fine cleanup here. And then another really key thing, which I think is so important. So if you have drones or cameras, that kind of stuff, you'll see they always have these like card slots and that kind of stuff. So now's where you go with your really small foam. Now you're not gonna jam it in there and break anything, but at the same time, dirt and debris gets in there. So you wanna keep it clean and working perfectly, so you can just kind of like clean the surface, clean the inside edges. On mine, I can clean like the little latch where it goes. And it's just really It just makes so much sense to have a kit like this so you can clean all these devices. Because you need all these things. Without all this stuff, I'm normally like, I'm taking like a little cloth like this and sticking a pen through it or a screwdriver and trying to clean in things. I am so excited that we found this and we have all these tools now to clean. This is definitely going to make my life easier. So I'm going to have to give this a full 5 out of 5 for making my life easier. Anything that does that, I am a fan of.